Dialogue 1. Good morning. I would like to book a table for tonight, please. Good morning. Can I have your name, please? Oh, Miss Alice. Good morning, Miss Alice. Could you let me know for how many people at what time you would like to book a table? A table for 2, please, and at 8 p.m. Would you like to book inside or outside on the terrace? On the terrace, please. Excuse me, are pets allowed in your restaurant? If you book your table on the terrace, yes, pets are allowed. Okay, perfect. Good, Miss Alice. You've got your table of 2 booked at 8 p.m. today. Oh, thank you so much. See you later. Good evening. Have you got any reservation? Oh, no, we haven't. Have you got any tables available for today? Let me check. Are there 2 of you? Yes, there are 2 of us. Okay, a table for 2 will be available in 15 minutes. Is it okay? Perfect. Excuse me, is the kitchen still open? Yes, it's still open and it closes at 10 p.m. Would you follow me? Your table's ready. What would you like to drink? I would like to have a glass of red wine, please. And what about you? Oh, for me, a glass of water, please. Still water or sparkling water? Still water, please. I will be back in a moment with the drinks and I will take note of your meal order. These are your drinks. Are you ready to order? What would you recommend us for dinner? Today we have delicious roast beef with seasoned vegetables. That sounds great. Have you got any seafood? I can offer you seafood rice with fresh prawns, mussels, and squid. I would have that, please. Excuse me, I think I've got a wrong order. I asked for roast beef with vegetables, and you brought me a salad. Oh, I'm really sorry. I will change it right now. Here you have. Did you enjoy your meal? Yes, it was really good. Would you like to have some dessert? We have delicious chocolate cake, fruit ice creams, and lemon pie. Ooh, I will have a piece of lemon pie, please. And what about you? And I would like to have a strawberry ice cream, please. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? Oh, yes, please. Black coffee or white coffee? I would like to have a cup of black coffee, please. Okay, I will be right back with the order. Excuse me, where are toilets? The toilets are right behind you. Would you mind to bring some water for my dog, please? Not at all. I will get some water for your dog right now. Oh, you're so kind. We really appreciate it. And could you bring us a bill, please? Here you have. It's £65, please. Would you like to pay by card or with cash? By credit card, please. Oh, thank you so much. The food was delicious. I'm glad you liked it. See you next time. Bye bye for now.